prefers Picasso X7000. A plastic case makes the camera waterproof for up to 98 feet underwater. The camera measures 60 millimeters in length, 41 millimeters in width, and is 30 millimeters thick. Its basic rectangular layout consists of a large power button and lens on the front, a 2-inch display on the back, 2 navigation buttons on the left side, charging and data transfer ports on the right, and a record or capture button on the top part. All the sides except the front and back of the camera are textured to enhance the grip and overall ergonomics. Meanwhile, its 2.6 ounce weight makes it quite light and easy to handle using one hand. If you're in need of a cheap action camera that does everything you need it to do and is easy to operate, you will not get a better deal than this.
How did we make 40 frames per second? This time, we used AMBA H2 chip, the most advanced chip in the world. The newly supported raw picture capacity will also give you more room for photo editing as well. We've reinvented E4K all over again. With 100 megabit per second bitrate, it made professional grade post-production possible to everyone. The brand new USB 3.0 Type-C connection increased transfer speed. You'll see the differences between 60 frames per second and 30 frames per second. No details will be lost during high-speed movements. Non-ordinary crispy clear pictures that perfectly restores the real world. Electronic image stabilization for 4K30 enables clear and stable footage that is normally subject to knocks and bumps. So keep doing what you're doing and let the EIS take care of stabilizing your footage. Moreover, E4K Plus comes with the voice command feature. Just tell E4K what you want and E4K Plus will do it for you. After countless tests,
Start recording.
E4K Plus can now accurately understand you. With live streaming, you can share your adventure on most major streaming platforms before they've even begun.
For some, the world of extreme sports is as much about capturing and sharing the action as it is about the sport itself. The action is captured on small lightweight cameras, attached to a person or kit, and the best known name in this market is GoPro. But GoPro cameras are not the only option, and there are some serious rivals. TomTom may be new to the field, but it has definitely done its homework with the Bandit. The striking white body is detailed with a red band which instantly makes the Bandit stand out. It's not just about the looks, though, as this small camera features GPS, built-in motion and heart rate sensors, 4K video and slow motion capture alongside a breakthrough mobile app. You only need to spend a short time with this camera to realize that the GoPro Hero now has a serious rival. TomTom's attention to design detail and usability is apparent from the outset. The exterior of the camera is neat and tidy with a large, easy-to-read LCD. Though this is not a live view screen, it merely shows menu settings alongside the camera's selected mode and options. A separate four-way control panel and stop button joined on top, while the back of the camera features the start and highlight button. This enables you to instantly tag clips as they're recording. On the base is the mount that enables you to attach the camera to yourself or your kit, and aside from it the rest of the body is clean. Video resolution and frame rate is key to capturing the action in the Bandit reset demand with 4K at 15 frames per second, FPS, 2.7K at 30 FPS, 1080p at 60-30 FPS and 720p at 60/120 FPS, enabling slow motion capture. The Bandit can also shoot time-lapse sequences and capture stills at up to 16 megapixels. It's available in 2 packs. The base pack includes the camera, adhesive mounts and GoPro adapter, while the more expensive premium pack includes a bike mount, 360 pitch mount, waterproof lens cover and remote. There are quite a few differences between the design of the Bandit and other action cameras, showing that the designers have really thought about who and how this camera will be used. The battery pack is a good example as it offers 3 hours of use when recording 1080p at 30 FPS. This does drop with features such as Wi-Fi are in use, but it's still very respectable. Power is supplied through the bat stick, a unit that slots into the back of the camera. This features a USB connector and micro SD card slot, so there's no need for additional cables or a card reader. This unit does it all and is a really nice touch.
Wondering where the day went. The clouds had me shrouded in crater. I'm still left hand at the pavement. Drowning to have a panorama from paper. Cloud of the label now, grounded in paper. One cloud of the now we got it escape. Besides for your hard work, see my heart rush. My rest, I'm rested. Together, the rest, I'm blessed to do it to it, who was the best. Do it to what I love, what I love.
Boys, I made you like a buster. I love it. I love it. We got nothing but the picture. I love it. I love it. I still dance the sky on the filter. I love it. I love it. All grown up and it's still about it.
I love New York. I love Zurich.
I love it. I love it.